For this video, we're going to be looking at using conditional formatting. So again, let's look at the ratings. Okay, I want to highlight or bring specifically to mind the movies that are below 8.9 on the rating scale. So what we do is we come up to our conditional formatting tab here, we click it, highlight cells rule. So less than, okay, I'm happy to take the less than option. 8,9, sorry, 8,9. You go okay, and there we go, it's highlighted specifically there to show what we want. Now I want to have a look at or highlight information that is greater than 8,9. So we go to conditional formatting, highlight rules, greater than, and we're going to go 8,9 again, 8,9, and we can change it with yellow fill with dark yellow text, green fill with green text, light red fill, red text. So let's go green fill with green text, dark green text, and we click OK. So there we go. That is how you use conditional formatting. As you can see under the conditional formatting tools, there's a lot more options. These here you can just go play with in your own time, but this is pretty much where most people make use of throughout Excel.